Good morning, dear children. Today we will start with the new topic, decimals. Decimal is a part of your chapter 2, fractions and decimal. You have studied decimal in class 6 also. So here we will have a quick review on decimal. Now here you can see that 5.6, 3.1, 2.65, 0.7, 1.24, these numbers are called decimal numbers. The small dot which appears between the two numbers, for example, these two numbers, the small dot appears between the two numbers is called decimal point, and such number which are having decimal point are known as decimal number. Here you can say that decimal numbers have two parts. Decimal numbers are having two parts. First part is called integral part or the whole number, and number after the decimal is called its decimal part. Number before the decimal or left hand side the decimal point is known as integral part, and number after the decimal is called decimal part. What is a decimal? It as a decimal also. A decimal is similar to a fraction. It's not a whole number. Only one part is there. Before decimal, there is one whole number is given. Rather than saying 1 upon 2, we can say 0.50. Instead of writing 1 upon 10, we can say 1/10 or 0.1. It's simply another form of a fraction. Next, for example, one number is given 2536 Now how we read decimal numbers? Numbers before the decimal we read simply as we read in the number system, 2536, and after decimal we read as numbers 0.254. We don't say as 0.254, we say as 0.254. Next question is, what is the place value of the number in decimal number? What is the place value? Number before the decimal or the, you can say, integral part place value is same as in the number system. Here you can see it 6 will have the place value ones, 3 will have the place value tens, 5 will have the place value hundreds, and 2 will have the place value thousand. After the decimal, we can say that it is the 10th, 5 place value is 100th, 4th place value is thousands. We can write as 2 upon 10 also, 5 upon 100 also, and 4 upon 1000 also. This. And after that 10,000th, 100,000, and so on. One more example is there, 2.456. So 2 will have the place value 2. 4 you can write as 4 upon 10 or 4/10 you can say. 5 you can write as 5 upon 100 or you can say 500th. 6 you can write 6 upon 1000 or 6,000th. Again, next one is how you can write in expanded form. In the exercise, you have to write in expanded form. So, how you can write in expanded form? There are three ways of writing in expanded form. First, you can write 0.6, then 8 is 0.08, 9 you can write 0.009. This only you can write like this also: 6 into 0.1, 8 into 0.01 plus 9 into 0.001. Same will come. Next is how you can write, because 6 place value is 8 into 1 upon 100. 9 place value is 1000th. So you can write 9 into 1 upon 1000. This can be written as 6 upon 10, 8 upon 100 plus 9 upon 1000. Therefore, you will get 689 upon 1000, that is equal to 0.689. So these are the some ways in expanded form. Now next term in your book is like and unlike decimals. Like and unlike decimals are simple. Like decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimal. Here you can see in the example, after decimal there are 2 digit, after decimal 2 digit, again 2 digit, again 2 digit. Therefore, they will be called as like decimals. Unlike decimal, opposite of that, after decimal, the number of digits will not be same. Decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. Here after decimal, you can see 1 digit is there. Here 2 digits are there. Here 3 digits are there. Therefore, it will be called unlike decimals. Some more examples are there. Like decimals, 2 digits are there, and here also 2 digits are there. Therefore, they will be considered as like decimals. Unlike decimals, after decimal you can see 2 digits are there, and here you can see 3 digits are there. Therefore, it will be to add decimal numbers. To add decimal number, simply you add as simple addition is given, but in decimal numbers you have to keep something in your mind, and these are some steps. Write down the numbers one under the other with the decimal points lined up. With the decimal point means decimal points will come under in a one line. Put in zeros so that numbers have the same length. When we will see the example, then you will understand. Then add using column method, column addition, remembering to put the decimal point in the answer. When you will see the example, then it will be more clear. Here we have to add 3.21 plus 4.5. First step, we have to write in column with decimal one under another. So 3.21 we have written first, and because we have to place the decimal one under another, so 4 here and 5 here, and here one place is left, so here we can write 0 also. Next we have to simply add it. 1 plus 0 1, 2 plus 5 7, and 4 plus 3 7. Wherever decimal is there, we will put simply the decimal, and answer will be 7.71. One more example, 12.6 plus 4 plus 0.24 plus 100. Here you have to see this 4 is a whole number, this 100 is a whole number. So you can write this 4 as 4.0. Point is decimal part is not given, only integral part is given. Therefore, decimal point we can assume as 0. The value will not change. Now next again we have to follow the same step. 12.60 in same line it will come. 4.00 and here 0.24. Integral part is not given, therefore 0.24. 100.00. Now simply we will add and we will write the decimal under where it is coming. Now next is to subtract decimal number. Same process is there. We have to write both the numbers by seeing the decimal point and we have to write one under another, and then we have to subtract it, and wherever 0 is required we will write the zeros and then we will subtract it. Now here 8.97 minus 2.82. 8.97 minus 2.82. Simply we will write first, we will write one under another and we will subtract it. Answer will come 6.15. Now here you can say if you have to subtract 100 minus 0.64. How you will write? You will write, because it is not having decimal part, so you can write 100.00 and here whole part, here integral part is not given, so you can write 0.64 and simply you can subtract it by taking carry and then you will get the answer. This was all about decimal.